Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix unexpected underscore store underscore exception, then let's have a look at the solutions. The first solution would be is to disable the startup apps that are running in the background in your computer. How would you do that is look in the search bar for task manager. All right, and click on it. Expand it. Now click on the startup apps bar and let's you click on status so that it shows you which is enabled and which is disabled. Now, for example, I do not want Microsoft Teams running in the background, so I will disable it. I do not want, say, all right, OneDrive or Radon software running in the background, disable it, so forth and so on. You can understand exactly how to do this. Let us skip to the next step. So we update the display adapters, and how we do that is we look for device manager, click on it, and let's look for the display adapters. Here you go. Mine is AMD Radeon graphics. Right click and click on update driver. If this works and this error message doesn't show up, well and good. If it doesn't, then on display adapters, you try to go to properties and go to driver and click on rollback driver. Normally this, if your driver is working properly, should not be a problem, or if you update your driver, uh, this option becomes active. I have not updated my driver right now, but I can roll back the driver if this option is active. With this, you should not be getting the error message anymore. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.